When you bring your car home from a Volvo retailer, you know that you've been taken care of the right way, our way. Volvo Genuine Parts ensure that all of your vehicle's safety systems work together seamlessly. Like our windshields, which are crafted with a laminate that is half a millimeter thicker compared to generics. That may not sound like a lot, but it can be the difference between an enjoyable ride and a safety malfunction. Or our brake pads, which ensure that all 7 of your vehicle's braking systems function properly. And that's just the beginning. Leave the parts to us so you can focus on what matters most. Service by Volvo, making life less complicated.